Don't think of your prostate as just a small, passive gland. Think of it as a highly responsive, hormone-sensitive organ, one that reflects what's happening deep inside your body. When it begins to enlarge or lose efficiency, it's rarely random. It's often a signal that something in your internal balance, hormones, circulation, or inflammation, is out of sync. Many men try to fix prostate issues by focusing only on age or genetics. But modern physiology suggests something deeper. The prostate responds directly to metabolic signals, stress levels, and even how well blood flows through the pelvic region. To truly support prostate health, you don't just treat symptoms, you unlock the internal locks that keep the gland under pressure. Here are the powerful strategies that target the root causes. Number 1. Insulin sensitivity. In functional health science, prostate enlargement is often linked to poor blood sugar control and insulin resistance. When your body struggles to process carbohydrates efficiently, it doesn't just store fat, it also promotes inflammatory processes that can affect the prostate. The secret isn't eliminating carbs completely, it's timing and muscle activation. Short, intense strength training before your largest meal of the day helps activate glucose transporters in your muscles. This pulls sugar out of the bloodstream and into muscle tissue, instead of fueling inflammation that can stress the prostate. Men who also ensure adequate intake of minerals like magnesium and chromium tend to improve insulin signaling even further, creating a metabolic environment where inflammation decreases and prostate tissue can function more smoothly. Number 2. Cortisol control. Chronic stress plays a major role in prostate health. Elevated cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, can disrupt hormonal balance and increase inflammation in the pelvic region. One of the most overlooked triggers? Posture and breathing. Shallow chest breathing and a constantly hunched position signal ongoing stress to your nervous system. Over time, this keeps cortisol levels elevated. By practicing deep diaphragmatic breathing and improving spinal alignment, especially in the thoracic region, you send a powerful signal of safety to your body. This reduces cortisol output, helping to calm inflammatory pathways that may be affecting the prostate. By the way, tell us where you're watching this video from. Drop your location in the comments below. Number 3. Activate dormant muscles. Just like the back can suffer from poor circulation, the pelvic region can too. When blood flow is limited, the prostate doesn't receive the oxygen and nutrients it needs to maintain optimal function. A sedentary lifestyle, especially long hours sitting, can reduce circulation in this area significantly. The solution? Targeted activation. Movements like squats, hip bridges, and pelvic floor exercises help stimulate blood flow deep into the pelvic region. When circulation improves, the body becomes more efficient at delivering nutrients and clearing out inflammatory byproducts. An active muscle signals demand, and where there's demand, the body sends resources. This creates a healthier environment for the prostate to operate. Number 4. Thermal activation and metabolic support. Here's something most people don't realize. The area around the lower abdomen and pelvis responds strongly to temperature changes. Alternating warm and cool exposure, such as contrast showers, can stimulate circulation and improve vascular responsiveness. This helps wake up sluggish blood flow and supports metabolic activity in nearby tissues, including the prostate. While cold exposure is often associated with fat metabolism, its real advantage here is improving vascular tone and reducing low-grade inflammation, two key factors in long-term prostate health. Your body is constantly adapting. When you give it the right signals, through movement, breathing, and metabolic balance, it begins to shift from a state of tension and inflammation to one of repair and function. And that's where real change begins. If you want to discover a simple daily habit that can support your prostate in just a few minutes, check out the video linked below. Just click and watch.